This is a quick calm down. So whether it's winding down before bed so that your mind can rest and so that you can have a deep, restful sleep, or whether it's just been a really stressful day and you're feeling anxious and wound up and just trying to calm the nervous system down. So that's what we're going to do right here, right now. And to start that off, place a hand on the body or two hands on the body, wherever it feels calming. So you'll know when you feel it, whether it's hands on the knees or belly and chest, or both on the belly, or maybe in the heart space. So find that space that's right for you. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. So the touch of the hands on the body, it works as an anchor to ground you. So use that to focus your mind on the feeling of your breath. So expanding the chest, and the chest presses into the hand, and it's like a stable, steady hand holding you. And then exhale, let the hand follow you back down as the chest sinks down again. So that unconditional support of the hand on the body. Inhale. And exhale, just calming down, slowing down. Inhale. Just notice on the feeling of the hand against the chest against the hand, or wherever it is on the body. And exhale, follow through. Keep that warmth of the hand against the body as you exhale the breath all the way out. Bring all of your attention, so however busy the mind is, that's okay, let it keep going, and just bring all of your attention away from that now. So we're not going to try and stop thinking, or we're not going to try to stop the mind from racing. It's just a matter of moving all of your focus just to how it feels to be sitting here on this floor or on your mat, whatever you're sitting on, in your body, with your hand against your body, and taking a breath in, all of your attention focusing on that. And exhale, inhale. And exhale. And then bring the hands together, interlace them, and bring your thumbs up. Bring your thumbs to your eyebrows on your third eye. So where the sockets are, where the eye sockets meet the bridge of the nose, inhale, press into that area, press up. And exhale, slide the thumbs across the eyebrows and over to the temples. And again, inhale, come back to center. Exhale, slide the thumbs across the eyebrows, press across to the temples. One more, inhale. And exhale, slide across. Come back to center. This time we're going to slide the thumbs up. So inhale and then exhale, slide the thumbs up. Get to the hairline and flick the thumbs. So as though you're flicking away any rush of thoughts or any gripping. We're just going to move it on out with this physical action. So inhale and exhale, flick it away. And then inhale, I'm trying not to wipe all my makeup off. And exhale. All right, and then float the hands back down. The next thing I'm going to do is, so this is like my number one best thing just to calm the whole body down. You probably need a bit of a wall. I'm going to use this wall here. You can do it without the wall, but you want something like the cushions to go up under your sitting bones. So we're going to shift over and get yourself, I'm going to stay sitting on the cushions because I still want that elevation. And this is just completely going to slow and calm the nervous system down. Bring your hip all the way up against the wall, or whatever it is that you have. Mine's a bench. And from here, bring your hands out behind you to stabilize. As you bring the legs up, flick them around and bring them up against your wall or whatever you have. And then slowly lie yourself down. So once you get down, you might find that your butt isn't quite up against the wall, so you can lift yourself up again and then down, so my cushions are not quite stacked. There we go. And then try to get your butt as close to the wall as possible. And then open the arms out. Again, here you might like to have hands on the body, so it might feel soothing to have hands on the chest or the belly or somewhere. And again, we're going to find that breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to exhale slowly through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And then come back to a regular breath. Inhale. And exhale. See if you can go for 5 counts now. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So we're trying to deepen and lengthen that breath pace. So keep going and don't try and force it to be a longer inhale or exhale though. We're trying to slow the body down and calm it down. And in this position, you are literally telling the body it is okay to calm down. It is safe to calm down. It is safe to slow down. And then by adding the breath work as well, you are doubling down on sending a very clear message to your nervous system. It is okay to calm down. You can calm down now. All the day is done. What's done is done. And maybe there's more work to do, or maybe you need to address whatever it is that stressed you out, but you don't have to do that now. Just letting the nervous system calm all the way down, getting yourself ready for a deep, deep sleep, or getting yourself prepared just to focus and go into the rest of your day calm, non-reactive, and your emotions in check. Deep breaths in. Long breaths out. So I recommend as well adding calming music or white noise or brown noise, whatever it is that feels good and sounds soothing to you, to this practice, and stay here as long as you have time for. I used to even do this at work after I had my head injury, and my nervous system would get really wound up at work. I would find a room at work, I would come into this position for about 5 minutes, calm my body down, and then get up and go back to work. It works like a treat. It works every single time. That's all I'm sharing today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And namaste.